Guys, and good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. All right. Now the markets are we have it open. We have it open for sure. So we're gonna see what we can work with. I am definitely seeing some stuff that I am kind of liking. I don't think we have news today that's really gonna mess us up or anything. So I'll explain the setup right now as I start the live stream over in the premium. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. Let me see here. Let me type that I'm starting up the live trading. Turn up. All right, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Now, I do have some ideas to the upside, which is probably going to be what I'm going to be explaining very soon as I start the stream. So we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see how that goes. Now, I did have a setup literally 10 seconds ago, right here, but I guess we're not gonna hold it up, which is fine. And I'll explain why. But yeah, let's see what we can work with here. I'm gonna delete this instead. Wait, kind of. All right, let me go ahead and go over to the premium real quick. Um, yo, wait, yo, what's good, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning. All right, so here, let me go ahead and kind of put this up here. The screen's gonna bug out for a second. Hold up. There you go. Yeah, Trinity. Okay, there you go. Anyways, what's good, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Anyways, okay. So coming into market open, honestly, it is looking pretty interesting. We do have a pretty good amount of volume coming in, which is really nice. Now, what exactly are we looking for? All right. So, um, coming into market open, honestly, obviously, I'm sure you guys know this, but we're definitely leaning more towards bullish. I know the market just opened about 10 minutes ago, so we're giving it some time to kind of form up here. Um, but I, I definitely do like the way it's looking. All right. Now here, I'm gonna put out the stream real quick. So give me a second. I'm here just preparing for the stream real quick. Um, so let me just do that real quick. Let me see. Make sure the stream is running good. Cool. Let me go and put this out here. There you go. And put this out here. All right. What's good, YouTube? What's good, Discord? All right, there we go. We're live on everything. We're live on everything. I just kind of have to set that up real quick. Let me make sure my trade is looking good. Okay. Let me make sure the stream's looking good. Okay. All right. Yeah, we're pretty much set. All right. What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Okay. You saw the 15-minute for rally. Can we inverse it? Okay. Well, okay. There's a few setups. There's actually two setups that I was eyeing literally for the first 5 minutes of market open. I'm sure you guys saw it as well. But okay. So first setup that I was eyeing. Wait, I got a message here. Okay. So the first setup that I was eyeing was this one. I thought we were gonna create some sort of a gap here as we took out this drawn liquidity, but we quickly bounced back up, so didn't form. Now, with us taking out this DOL, we had, obviously we had a lot of room to go a lot higher into at least 592. So there's a lot of buying stepping in. We almost created a gap here, but we sold off, so there's no gap here. All right, so far around this range, we kind of have nothing to work with. At the same time, we're also kind of waiting for a trend to kind of form. We do have ideas, but we obviously don't have it on the chart just yet. So there's really no bias just yet. We are leaning more towards bullish, but we don't know how that's going to end up just yet because obviously there's not enough confirmations. And I'm sure you guys see we have a lot of selling coming in right now. All right, now if we do get some sort of a buying candle, there's two things that can happen. We can either create some sort of a gap right here that we can work with any level of liquidity down here, or we can always bounce up like crazy with no setup, which I kind of doubt. And we can always look to inverse this gap up here that we created during the London session, which I kind of doubt we're going to use, but it can always be like a backup plan in a way. But in a way, what I'm pretty much what I'm looking to take out is that obviously there's a lot of selling coming in, so we're probably going to take out some more liquidity to a downside, which we have from the hourly time frame. If you guys zoom out, you guys see what I'm talking about right here. Right here, right? So we have some extra levels of liquidity that we might want to take out. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is why I have these levels to the downside, right? I don't have anything below 115, which I don't know if we're gonna see or not. I hope we don't, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, so far we're still kind of playing around this London low. But if we can manage to get some sort of an inverse off this gap, I'll probably consider looking to take longs, or I'll look to take longs. But I don't know just yet. I don't know. ES is definitely looking a lot weaker. It's breaking lows and everything. Maybe it wants a little bit lower. I'm not super sure, but this candle closes in 1 minute. As long as it can close as a full candle, it'll be an imbalance, which is what we kind of need. And we can just target some liquidity up here. Now, you got what I was gonna say was you guys gotta be careful with Trump today. But I mean, you guys see the you guys see the candles. Yeah, I was literally gonna say like be careful with Trump today. The reason I'm saying be careful with Trump today, guys, is because today is March 4th. And for those that don't know, all of the tariffs that were taking place, the whole reason that the market was selling off like crazy last week was because of the announcements for the tariffs, right? And it's taking place today. I don't know what time, but whatever time it is, the market is reacting as you guys can obviously see, right? We're getting 100-point candles left and right. Every single candle has been a 100-point candle. 100 points right here, 100 points right here, and 100 points right here. Three 100-point candles in the last 15 minutes of market open. You can't make that up. All right, so we got to be careful. We got to be careful. All right, guys. So we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully the market aligns with our setups and everything, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Now, like I said, if the market wants to get bought up like crazy and we don't find an entry anywhere near this range, we could always use this backup fair value gap, which would be above 468, which is very far away. But if that's what it comes down to, then that's what we're gonna use. All right, guys. Sorry, what are you looking for? So far, nothing. So far, nothing. We're kind of waiting for the market to give us more of a trend in a way. Right now it's kind of going. We've had three 100-point candles in the last 15 minutes, which is literally insane. No range, bro. We haven't broken out of range. So for my orb traders in here, I think it's orb. I don't even think you guys got an entry either, right? For the people trading what is it? Open range breakouts. On the 5 minute we did. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, because we're still trading in this range. There's really, from what I'm seeing at least, there's really nothing. I don't trade that, so I wouldn't know. Let's see. The tariffs already took effect at 12 a.m. this morning. Cool. Okay, so I don't think we have to worry about that. Maybe it's just the New York stock market being open. You know, everyone's reacting now that the entire market is open. You know what I mean? So maybe the market is going crazy for the first 30 minutes or so. All right. But yeah, I mean, we have buying, selling, buying, selling, buying. So we gotta wait for something. All right. Now, in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna go get some water real quick because I forgot to get my bottle. I was kind of in a rush. But hopefully we can push up into this gap and we can somewhat get an entry. All right, guys. So I'll be back in a second. All right, be right back. I'm back. Oh, I was about to say I thought the market did something. So far nothing. So far nothing. Okay, I'm back. Choppy has open. Honestly, yeah, a little bit. And I would say the whole reason behind that is because of Trump, the tariffs and everything. So maybe the market just reacting, kind of getting used to they're getting priced in. Once the market gets priced in, I guess we can get some sort of a trade. I would say. Hopefully it doesn't stay like this for too long though. What are you sizing? I don't even have a setup, bro. Like you guys, it's a pretty obvious question. I can't really tell you guys what's gonna happen without me knowing what's gonna happen. You know. But I'll tell you once we get a setup, obviously. We have NFP Friday? No way. We literally have CPI tomorrow. There's no way we have NFP on Friday. Let me see. Hold on. If the let me okay, I have to put this back. Let me see. There's no way we have NFP. We literally have we do. Okay. I'm definitely not trading Friday. I didn't know Friday was that bad. Okay. So yeah, no. Yeah, I'm definitely not trading Friday. There is no way I'm trading Friday. Wait, we don't have CPI this week. What? Is it next week? Oh, CPI is next week, bruh. I thought it was this week. Okay, so wait, let me catch up with the news then, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't even check this for this week. Okay, so today we have nothing. Trump speaking the usual at 9 p.m. That's not really gonna affect us. Tomorrow we have 10 a.m. news, which is PMI. We had that yesterday, but it's a different type of PMI, so I guess that's fine. Um, Thursday, no news, and then Friday we have, not only do we have NFP on Friday, but we have Powell speaking at 12. I am not trading that. I'm good off Friday. No, definitely not happening. I'm good. I'm good. What is NFP? Think of NFP as like CPI's baby brother. You know what I mean? Like it kind of has the same reaction as CPI. It's not really what CPI is, but it has the same reaction in the market. Whenever it comes out at 8:30, it kind of just explodes, and it kind of just fucks up all your levels, and you know you kind of just have to rock with it. You know. But yeah, so Friday I am definitely avoiding, not because of NFP. I usually trade NFP, but um we have Powell speaking like midday, so yeah, no, I'm not trading that. I rather not. Anyways, okay, coming into market open, still a lot of chop. We somehow turned a 86-point green candle into a doji candle. I don't know how we did that, but yeah, still a lot of signs of chop. So yeah, still nothing, still nothing, still nothing. We're gonna have to wait. Like I said, we're kind of still waiting on. Wait, let me see. There you go. We're still kind of waiting on the market to give us more of a trend, a stable trend. So obviously, right now we're pumping and dumping like crazy. Speaking of pumping and dumping, guys, I wanted to show you something. I wanted to show you something that I feel like is insane. All right, let me show you guys something. If we open up any crypto, no, I don't mean like pump. No, okay, look. If you open up any crypto, I'm talking Solana, for example. Guys, look at the daily time frame. Is this not? Wait, what? Is this candle was supposed to be a green candle? Hold on, let me open up Bitcoin, guys. Every crypto was literally a pumping up overnight. Look at this pump, dude. This is the oh my, dude. I saw this on TikTok yesterday, bro. The craziest pumping up on crypto. You can't make this up. How does the market push up 11% to dump it right back down the next day? Yeah, I was in that and didn't take profit. Bro, I doubt anyone took profits. I doubt it. I doubt. I can ask anyone in here, hey, did you buy the bottom and took profit? No, I bet no one took profits. And look, I don't blame you guys because I wouldn't have either. You know what I mean? Obviously, crypto is more long term, and you don't really scalp a candle like this. You know what I mean? Like this is usually like a sign to go higher. You know what I mean? Something like that. But I doubt anyone took profit. So this is the craziest pumping up I've ever seen. Let's look at Ethereum. They all look the same pretty much, right? Yeah, pump and dump. You look at XRP. I'm pretty sure it has the same thing. Yep, pump and dump. That is it. I find that crazy, guys. So many people were exit liquidity. Is it exit liquidity? Or some people were liquidity and something. But dude, that is I find this insane. Literally insane. I was gonna get in. But I never ended up going through with it. Now, I was about to say NQ. I thought NQ was selling off. So far, still nothing. So yeah, I'm down 12. Bro, you're down 22 cents, bro. Let me see. First week in the premium. I've been in RP's premium for over a year, and the well worth it. Hey, bro, thank you. By the way, welcome. My trader keeps saying clock out of sync. There's a way to fix it. I'm pretty sure you just go to your time settings and then you just sync it up. If anything, there's a YouTube video on it. It's like it takes 2 seconds to set up. But MC BlackRock did. Trump pumped it, bro. That I don't know. That takes a lot of. You guys got to keep in mind that takes a lot of money to do, for the entire crypto market to go up 11% to sell off into new lows again. That's 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 not retail. I hope you guys know that. That is not retail. Dude, that's my fault, bro. Why bro? Yeah, no, but on a real note, guys, that is not retail. Retail cannot do that. That is impossible to do that with retail money. Like that is some sort of a whale, maybe like some big insiders. Something happened. Something happened there. But I just find it funny how crypto is now pumping and dumping. It went from meme coins to crypto to now the big names. That is crazy. That is crazy. 100 billion, bro. Maybe more. Maybe more. We're probably we could talk. Well, I'm not gonna say trillions. But it's you could definitely say trillions if you want to. And you know what I mean. Crazy divergence between ES and NQ. Is this in this case is what is stronger, ES? Okay. Oh yeah, ES is way stronger to the downside. Yeah, ES definitely wants lower for sure. NQ seems like it's trying to hold up. That's why it's not really selling off like crazy. So once ES can find the bottom, NQ should pretty much just rip up to the upside like crazy, pretty much, which is what we're waiting for. Obviously, I don't really want to trade into a downside, especially with NQ not showing any strength to the downside. Well, you know what I mean. So once we're able to find the bottom here on ES, maybe it want to find the bottom at around this 797 level. We should be able to get some sort of a long idea, but so far nothing yet. We're kind of just waiting on the market to give us something. But yeah. But like I said, guys, since there's about 539 or yeah, 530 something people of you guys in here, Friday, I'm gonna tell you guys avoid it. Probably not best trading it. Do not. Oh yeah, that's right. The give guys, that's right. The giveaways today. For those that don't know, guys, I'm giving away a computer, and some funded accounts, and some of that stuff. I gotta find a way how to do it, but I'm gonna do it later today. Maybe after hours around there. I'm not sure. Maybe around 4. I'm gonna do it. So yeah. I there's a lot of Should we do it? Okay, I want to ask you guys: should we do it on live, or should we do it on, or should I just do it myself? I feel like live. Okay, here's the problem with live. It's gonna take a very long time. I have to read over 300 entries, like read it, like I'm talking paragraphs on why this should be winners. So I feel like I don't know. I feel like that's gonna be boring, but I also feel like it's gonna be a lot more transparent because you guys know giveaways are faked a lot, and I don't want to fake it. Don't read people's reasonings on live. Okay, so if anything, let's do on live. I'll do the funded accounts. I feel like that'll be a lot more fun. Exactly. Yeah, it's a lot. It's really personal and everything. So yeah, no, I'm not gonna do the computer ones live. But if anything, I'll pick out the names, like your Discord usernames from the funded accounts, and I'll put it like in a wheel or something, and I'll just keep spinning it like 10 times, and just give you guys the money for it and everything. Bro, Twisted, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, yeah. Um. So okay, so I'll do the live around 4 to 6 p.m. around there. I'll pick out the names for the people that chose to win a funded account, which is most people. It's like 70% of people chose that. Um, and then I'll just send you guys the money, I guess. Same way how we did it on Sunday. Uh, that's another. I don't even know how much money that is, but I'll just give it out. Can you message us instead? I'm probably gonna be in class while you're live. Um, how many minutes? That's that. I don't know what you mean by messages instead. How do you enter? In the announcements channel. So if you go over to the announcements channel, uh, like this. I think you guys see my. Yeah, you can. Okay. I'll go over to the announcements channel. Scroll all the way up, and then it will be. Dude, this mouse sucks, bro. Stupid final mouse. I'm buy another one. Okay. Okay, right here. So if you guys see this, it's literally right here. So you just click the heart, you fill this out, you fill out which one you want to win, you put your Discord username, and then we pretty much just I mean, you pretty much just answer. So if you guys do want to do that, if you guys haven't already, like I said, you react here, and then you just fill out the form, and that's it. So yeah, I'll just do the thing on live. Then I feel like that'll be a lot easier. Like just funded accounts. How come you didn't look for an inverse today? There is absolutely nothing to inverse here, bro. I would if I could. I would if I could. SC, I got you. I thought I sent it. Did I not? Wait, I sent it to someone else. I gotta see. Not today. Yesterday. Oh, because yesterday wasn't the continuation model. I'm pretty sure. No. Okay, but so I finished with my trying to get like. Oh, I closed the lifetime down. By the way, there's too many spots. I closed it down. I'm not gonna be active. I'm gonna be sleep. Well, if you, mm. Well, I'm not gonna delay it just because one person. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know what time to do it at, so that'll be convenient for everyone. I mean, like, if we win, do we have to be in the live to get the? Well, I'm gonna need your information, so I guess yeah. In a way, tax refund looking good, dude. I did my taxes yesterday. I do not want to talk about it. That thing, bro. I couldn't sleep last night. I don't want to talk. Let's switch topics. Let's switch topics. Just DM the winner. Yeah, but I need the information so I can show you guys on live that I sent the money, like as proof as always. What all time lows? Wait, what? Yes, dump another one, another one. Yep. And NQ is doing absolutely nothing. So like I said, guys, once ES can reverse, if it wants to reverse, we should be able to get a very nice setup to the upside. And the whole reason I'm not looking for downside is we took out this London low, which is obviously a very strong one from what it seems like. The market is struggling to break below it on NQ. So, oh, well, never mind. Anyways, what I was trying to say is, yeah, we were holding above it for some time. So I was waiting to see if we can get some sort of a sweep to then take the upside potential is insane. We have so much room until 592. But in the meantime, we did create a very nice gap here. We're probably gonna take out some more lows here. So let me mark this out real quick. Now the market is very volatile today, so if I do end up getting a trade, it'll probably be something very light, for sure, very light. Because this thing is dangerous to trade. Look, yesterday was dangerous to trade, but wait. Yesterday was dangerous to trade, but we somehow got it very, very nice. Like we got it to the perfect point. So hopefully that's the case today. With us taking out this liquidity, it's gonna be a little bit weird to take longs around this range if we do get a long entry. But if we can snipe the bottom, that'll be literally amazing. That's if we can. That's if we can. Like the upside, like I said, guys, the upside potential is insane. We have so much to target to the upside. So the risk reward here will be amazing. So we could look for something like this. That's if this gap can hold up. Hopefully it can. That'll be a pretty nice entry into longs. We will be looking at a 300-point trade if we hit the Asia high, which, call me crazy, it's actually possible today. With the volume that we're getting 100-point candles every single candle. We could probably see that. Now, the real question is, which is probably not going to hold up, is can we hold up this gap? Which the answer is probably going to be no. But we'll see. We have 3 minutes into it, so I really doubt. It's probably going to fill in a few seconds. I mean, the buying is really, really strong. But if we can somehow hold up this gap, we can always look to take an entry around this range. And if the buying looks very strong, we can get a pretty impulsive candle to take a scalp, I would say. So yeah, that is the game plan for now, I would say. And then our price targets would be maybe up here, up here, up here, up here, and up here. So minimum 5 contracts. But I really doubt this holds up. So in the meantime, if worst comes to worst, I doubt we get an entry from here. It's very, very far away. It's like 200 something points away. I'm not gonna wait 200 points for one entry. 240 points. I'm not gonna do that. So what I would want to happen is either we hold up this gap, which would be a blessing if we hold up this gap. If not, if we don't hold this up, we can always create one on the upside to the upside as we go up, and we just look for a continuation model into our levels of liquidity above. Like I said, the upside potential is insane. We've taken out a lot of levels to the downside, so it would make sense if we see a reversal sometime soon. The only thing is yes, that is the problem, because in this case, I don't know what we're sweeping. I don't have any levels. That I didn't expect ES to really sell off so much. Do we even have any levels? I'm assuming we do. Why wouldn't we? No, we actually have nothing. Yeah, no, we surprisingly have nothing to the downside. I guess something like this. In a way, we have 748, which that's still very far away. And I don't want to say ES is gonna dump down that much, right? I hope not. So we're gonna have to kind of eyeball it here with NQ, because NQ took out the liquidity. It's still taking out liquidity to the downside. It's selling off. So we are gonna hold up this gap from the looks of it. That's if we even get the buying pressure. But in this case, yes, on the 1 hour, at least on the 1 hour time frame, there is literally nothing to the downside. Maybe on the 15-minute. Let's find out. Because I want to make sure I know what exactly sellers are targeting. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see. Yeah, no, there's oh wait, well, we have something here at 771. Maybe on the 15-minute time frame, maybe we can work off something like this, I would say, and then like this. It's like a mini pullback, but Is it a strong enough pullback to hold us up from this massive sell-off? We'll find out. We'll find out. But yeah, in the meantime, guys, the setup that we're watching is we're gonna see if we can get some sort of an inverse here. This candle closes in about 50 seconds. So let me kind of put this out real quick. Let's find out. Let's find out. Yeah, we don't have anything on the 15-minute really messing us up. Put it up. Okay, we're gonna have to put that out in the commentary. Yeah, let's see if buyers can step in. Like I said, I would be interested if we can inverse this with some serious buying pressure. I'll be really interested for that. And I'll take this light if anything. So I'll probably do like 7 contracts maybe. But yeah, I'm actually pretty interested to see how buyers react off this. I'll be very interested. Like if we can get a very strong impulsive candle, I'll take it without like a second thought. Or I'll second guess, I guess, something like that. But let's find out. Let's find out. If we can set the bottom, that'll be literally huge. We'll see. Candle flipped red. So far, obviously, sellers are still trying to step in. I'm gonna say mainly because of ES. I don't know how much lower ES wants. I mean, it's sold off quite a bit already. But we'll see. We'll see. How many ticks is your stop loss? I do not know. I would say, how do you find the ticks here? Oh, I'm definitely not gonna use a. Like 120, right? 30 points is 120. Yeah, around 120. It's not 120. I'm pretty sure it is, right? Where do you find it? It's supposed to show up right here, but it's not. Yeah, you just do 30 times 4, and then whatever you get. It is 120. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, if we can get some sort of a very strong buying candle, we inverse this, longs wouldn't look bad at all. At least for a scalp. I don't know if we were gonna expect this Asia high up here, but we could try. We could try to we can dream big. You know what I mean? But more realistically, we want to target something like 350 in a way. The thing is ES it wants lower. Like I said, I don't know how much lower it wants. It's kind of scary to say where, like, we could be dumping all day if we want to because of tariffs. But we'll see. We'll see. Do you have a video for your settings on TradingView? Yeah, I do. Yes, sir. What's good, KP? What's going on, my man? What's good? What's up? Here you go, man. Chilling, bro. We're trying to get something in this market, bro, but nothing but selling. That's what I'm saying. There's nothing below. Let me see. Let me make sure my desktop audio. Wait, talk real quick. Let me make sure it's on stream.
Yo.
Okay, there you go. Bet. Okay. David, when Apex says you must activate your passive by submitting this. Oh yeah, all you have to do is just sign the documents. That's all you have to do. Yeah, you just sign the documents in the first 48 hours and you're pretty much chilling. You don't have to pay for it, but all you have to do is sign the documents. Yeah, bro, I saw you went crazy last night during Asia, I think.
Oh man,
dude, 10,000? Are you crazy?
Yeah, that was wild. Yep, I caught a nice bounce, dude. That was nuts,
dude.
Well, I have that one account with over 70 grand on a 50K, so my 30% rule is like through the roof.
Yeah. I'm the same way. That for the people that keep wondering, hey, like, how do you average out $1,000 days? But you tell us not to do 1,000. The higher your account grows, the more you can average out on it. But yeah, no, we're not yet, not yet. Anyways, guys. Oh, by the way, we ended up sweeping this level that we never took out in this candle, but we took it out here. So yeah, can we bounce off a 4-hour for value gap from November? Probably, yeah, I guess. I wouldn't trade it, but you could use it towards your bias. You definitely can. How do you pay for lifetime on Apex? When you're paying for it, it'll ask you, hey, do you want to do monthly or lifetime? KB, you have no interest in taking shorts anywhere, right?
No, I don't see anything here. It would be a gamble.
Yeah, especially with the amount of levels that we've taken out already. I'm kind of good off that. I'm gonna wait for my long confirmation. If we don't get it, then oh well. You know what I mean? That's a cash day.
I mean, what this feels like to me is almost like an all-time low feeling. We have nothing anywhere near
Literally
us.
nothing. Exactly. I have no levels to the downside. My final level is 115, which I won't even doubt if we see it in like the next 10 minutes with the amount of selling that we have here. I really wouldn't doubt it. But we'll find out. We'll find out. So far, we're just kind of sitting around. We're trying to sweep the DOL, but nothing. And even guys, we went from being like how many points away from our entry? We went from being 20 points from our entry to now being over 100 points from our entry. So if we, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be one of those. It's gonna be one of those markets like last week. It seems like I'm getting that feeling. Straight selling, no buying, no pullbacks. The only buying candle that we had all day today, guys, was the pullback, the sweep candle, which we couldn't even hold up. So you can't even count that. Wait. There you go. But yeah, you said 115 was your last level. Yep, that is my last level from what I have marked out. Maybe there's more than likely more below, but from what I'm seeing, honestly, there's not really too much that I'm really eyeing here to the downside. That I'm. If you guys pay attention right here, you guys will see what I mean. So we have obviously on the 1 hour time frame, we have this low, this one, and this one. But anything below that, the next one that we would have is at 19,000, which is very far away. I don't. We could probably see it sometime this week, but I wouldn't say we see it today. That is very, very far. Very far. But you never know. You never know. But yeah, I really don't have anything below 115. So fingers crossed we can hold up above these levels very, very soon. Because if not, then we're kind of screwed to get a trade. And like KP said, taking anything shorts is kind of more of a gamble. You're just gonna be chasing the selling, which is not what we do here. You know.
Yeah, I just put a little chart of the 1 hour or the daily up. And the only thing to the left that we have to go against is back in October, a stretch of like 5 days that kind of bottomed out there. I'm not feeling confident in
Yeah,
taking
no, those
anything.
levels. I'm not feeling, bro. Anything with shorts, I'm not liking it at all. You're talking about wait, you're talking about the 20,100 rate, right? I'm pretty sure I have these. Yeah, these exact levels are the ones that I have marked out as well. I found them on
Yep.
the 1 hour. Yeah, same exact ones. But yeah, so far I'm not really seeing anything I'm too confident in, like crazy. The only thing I'll consider taking will be the longs. And that's considerate. Considerate, you know what I mean? Because it's just ES that's really worrying me here. ES wants lower no matter what. Maybe even if there's no levels to the downside, it wants lower. But the way buyers are stepping in right now, guys, these are this was the buying strength that I wanted to see. So, like I said, if we can manage to inverse this gap up here, the one at 267, I would consider taking some light longs. All right, some light longs into to the upside, but not yet. Obviously, I want to see it around 268. That's only if buyers look very strong. I'm not gonna take it if it's like a questionable push up. It has to be you know what I mean, like a no brainer push up, like crazy. Then I would consider taking it. But in the meantime, I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be like a mini pullback for just for ES, and then it's gonna continue going lower because the buying is not looking super on NQ. It is, but on ES, it looks like ES might want lower. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Shouldn't we wait for ES to inverse? Definitely. Yeah, but uh, If NQ does like a very, very strong push up like it is right now, then yeah, obviously I'll enter a lot sooner and just do it with light size. And if you don't want to do that, then obviously you can just wait it out. But me personally, I'm gonna look to take some light longs around 268. I would say. That's if we get a strong push up. That's what I want to do. And I'll probably consider it like a scalp. I don't want to hold through anything because obviously what the market has been doing yesterday and today is it pumps up, dumps down, stops you out, pumps up again. It's like a pump in them pretty much. So we'll see. But like I said, the buyers so far don't really look too confident, or too stable, I would say. Definitely on ES. It's a doji candle and it's back to red. So we're probably gonna get another sell off very, very soon. So yeah. But NQ on the other hand, the good thing about NQ is we have so much buyer interest to the point where with ES trying to sell off, NQ is holding it up very, very well. Although I know NQ is breaking lows and everything, the amount of buying that we're getting on NQ compared to ES is insane. So if ES can somehow reverse, NQ would just completely just rip up like crazy. Unless we get an SMT last second, which I hope we don't. But I'm just talking hindsight. But yeah, we're probably going to see another push down very soon. But not something I want to trade into. I'm going to aim for a 1-to-1. Yeah, like a 1-to-1 wouldn't be bad. Like I said, I want to look to take more of a scalp. Today is definitely more of a scalp day, and you just hold your runners with a break-even stop loss to be risk-free. Yesterday and today were those days where you have to be risk-free, like as fast as possible. And it's probably going to stay like that this week. But today's probably going to be the most volatile out of this week. Obviously, we have tariffs taking place today, or they already took place. I'm not sure. But yeah, like I said, we probably want lower. Look at ES. Maybe into 61. I don't know. I don't have anything below 61 until 48. So, and 48 is pretty far on ES. So we'll see what the market tells us. Yeah, so far it's kind of like more like a waiting game. ES has completed a large fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, and probably another one coming. It has a lot of fair value gaps to downside. Now, ES on the other hand, or NQ, my bad. NQ on the other hand, no fair value gap. Surprisingly, NQ has nothing on the 15-minute time frame. Only the small 5-minute that we created right here. Surprisingly. But ES on the other hand, it's fair value gap after fair value gap after fair value gap. So ES could be the one thing that if we get stopped out today, ES is gonna be the reason why. That's if we get a trade, which from the looks of it, it wants lower. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah. We'll see how that goes.
No, I don't know how to say your name, Ju, but no, we have different trading styles. They're pretty complementary though. David mainly works off the fair value gaps, inversing them, things like that. I work more off of kind of intraday levels and movement during the day rather than a fair value gap setup like that. I work a lot in chop, and a lot of volatility is where my strategy seems to shine.
Yeah, bro, we've seen, bro. Trust me, we've seen it. But yeah, if anything, KP, if you want to trade like whenever, you can. I think I gave you perms to start the stage. So if I'm off or whatever, and you want to trade with everyone, you can always start it up like the same way we're on right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, perfect.
If you want to do that, yeah. So the members, if they want to get some trades or whatever, you know what I mean?
Awesome, that works.
Because from the looks of it, I honestly, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a trade today. Not that I don't want to. I obviously want when I try to, but this market is looking exactly like last week. And what happened last week? It was loss after loss, trying to snipe the bottom. It was literally impossible. And like I said, I'm not interested in taking shorts. It's just not the way I work around the strategy. I don't see any continuation model. I don't see any reversal model. And we're about to take out 115 as well, guys. We're about to take out 115 as well. So we'll see. Like I said, this is my final level of liquidity. I don't have anything lower. So if the market continues to go lower, I'm going to have to get off. And if KP wants to take over, you can go ahead. But we'll see. This is my final level that I have to the downside, guys. I have nothing below. Literally nothing. So let's see. And this is going to be the first time in a while that we go below 19,000. How long has it been? We haven't seen 19,000 in months, guys. So yeah, no, we are definitely breaking like not all-time lows, but we definitely are breaking very strong lows. Like to the point where we don't have anything to work with below. You know what I mean? Tariffs going to affect today. Yeah, I want to say that's a big reason on why the market is selling off like crazy. And yeah, do you plan on investing long term? Yeah, of course. You'd be stupid if you don't. Now is now the time to buy? Well, definitely, obviously not right. Well, you could always add. I would add. I would say, um, but like the way it works is you buy when the market is fearful and you sell when the market is greedy. Um, that's pretty much how it works, or how long term works. Um, at least that's how I do it. So for those that don't know, if you search up stock market fear and greed index, right? Like this, guys. So pretty much the way the market works right now is you go over to, it could be CNN. I personally use CNN, or you can use any website. It's all the same thing, right? You search up a stock market fear and greed index. You go over here, and right now the market is in extreme fear. So what happens when the market is in extreme fear? Everyone sells. Everyone is scared that the market is going to go to zero, and everyone sells. This is a buying opportunity for the long-term investors. Then, when the market goes into either like high neutral greed or extreme greed, that is your time to sell as everyone is buying. All right, guys, that's how this long-term game works. For those that didn't know, you guys know long-term is not really based off charts. It's kind of based off more like fear, and you know what I mean. It's based off the news around the market. Tariffs, the economy, literally everything, right? And all that moves fear and greed. All right, so would now be a good time to buy? You're probably gonna be a little bit down. Obviously, if you try to snipe the bottom, you're gonna be down, right? You're gonna lose some money at first. But if you have no intent on selling, this is probably in my opinion, the perfect time to buy. Like I'm probably gonna look to invest some long term around this. Like I said, one of my main interests is Nvidia because of the AI stock, or the AI news and everything, and Tesla as well. But I've always wanted to what's it called, to get into Nvidia around the 90 range. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's at the 90 range. No, it's still at 110. I've always wanted to buy Nvidia at 90. I think that was like the lowest point it's gone to. But right now is like, I'm probably gonna start adding like big time on Nvidia. Really, really big time. Because all it takes is one major AI news, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know. But yeah. So far, guys, like I said, my main interest here is like I said, if the market can't hold above 115 going forward, I'm gonna be not that I want to, but I'm gonna be forced to get off because, like I said, I have nothing down to the downside to work with anymore. Like, we took out the final level of liquidity, we have nothing until the 19,000s. So I don't know, I don't know. This is literally my final level of liquidity. All right, guys. So we're gonna see what we can do there. But yeah. But for the people that are interested long term, obviously if you guys have the money, what I mean, you can't really put $100 into long term. That's not really gonna do much. But if you definitely have a few thousands to put into the market, and you're wondering when the time to buy is, honestly, my personal thought, I would say it's around this range. Like I said right now, you buy when the market is fearful. You sell when the market is greedy. Because when the market is greedy, everyone is buying, and when the market is fearful, everyone is selling. Right. So that is the whole thing behind long-term investing, at least for me. Obviously, if you guys have a strategy, what I mean, work around it. But that's my strat. And the same, I don't want to say the same thing applies to crypto, but it kind of does, because crypto is dying like crazy. Like, I know so many people that their accounts are red as hell, especially with the pump them from like what, yesterday or a few days ago. Like, so many people that I know are super red on the day, or not on the day, like overall on crypto. Warren Buffett said that. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty what is it? Like, I would say obvious, I guess is the word. Um, with the fear and greed, because long term it doesn't really take too much technical work. It's all kind of, what is it, fundamental, self-explanatory. Exactly. I'm pretty sure fundamental means like news, I think, and technical means just charts. Yeah, long term is more fundamental. It's kind of like how the economy is doing. You know. I am, but it's good. Yeah, I would say so as well, Ronnie. I would say so as well. Into energy these days, dude. I'm doing AI. AI is my go-to. With the way AI is improving, and not only the way AI is improving, but the way AI affects the market. Do you guys not remember when China came out with that with the what is it called the AI, and the entire market sold off 1,000 points? You know how crazy that is? One company coming out with one AI model. That one. One AI model made NQ sell off 1,000 points. Imagine when actual good news comes out with AI. The AI stocks will be going crazy. So, I mean, obviously, as we go into the age of AI and everything, I would personally say AI would be a pretty good long-term investment, maybe for the next few years or something. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm interested in. But, by the way, guys, I'm interested in doing some, like I said, as long as the market can hold above this, I'll be interested in some longs.
Yeah, guys, I obviously have nothing to no setups for myself. You see how I trade, and I've got nothing here. I mean, I don't know any trader that would.
Yeah, no,
There's no.
it's something. I'm gonna tell you, it's it's something. Um, but yeah, let me kind of put this out real quick. Like I said, guys, same idea, same everything in this model. Um, so we'll see, we'll see. Let me see. Let me put this out real quick.
Buddha, I mainly work off scalping levels. Um, a lot of, I mean, the highs and lows of the market, opening range, high and low, stuff like that are strong levels. So of course I'll look at those to bounce off of or continue out of. But typically it's intraday level, scalping movements during the day. Shorter term stuff, 10, 20, 30, 40 points. If it goes longer, great. But I'm usually in and out 20, 30 points. I usually go a little bit heavier on contracts with pretty high percentage moves based off intraday levels. But yeah, that's where you'll see a lot of my stuff is during chop and things like that. Mainly, I'm mainly a scalper.
Dude, and your strategy works wonders in Asia, dude. I see it all the time. I'm like, bro, I've tried Asia so many times, like off the chat and everything, dude. I can't. Maybe I'm kind of, I would say I'm probably just used to the volume for New York to the point where I'm not used to Asia. But dude, I think it's hard. I would say it's harder than New York for sure.
Yeah, I was gonna say for your strategy to really cook, I mean, you have to have some volume, and Asia typically, and even London doesn't really give you that much volume for it.
Yeah.
Asia kind of works a little. I wouldn't say it works better, dude. I work there. You have to have volume. You have to
Yeah,
have
yeah,
movement,
yeah.
with
Obviously,
money.
obviously,
So,
Asia has its days where I mean, well, like on Monday we had a 200 point range on Asia, dude. That is insane,
oh, bro, I crushed that. I
dude. I
think I
saw,
was
bro.
single
I
trading
saw.
16 accounts. I maxed them all out. It was nuts.
Yeah. Anyways, guys. By the way, I'm gonna see if I can get some interest here. On ES with the inverse model. See if we can get an entry here. Buyers are stepping in pretty strong, which I do like. So we'll see. Let me see if I can find an entry here. Let me put this out real quick. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let me see. I really want to enter longs. I'm gonna do it. All right, guys. I'm in some light longs here, guys. I'm in some light longs. I got filled at, you guys can see on the screen, at 170. I'm gonna set my stop loss around. I got filled at 170. I don't know. I kind of want to work around like a 140 stop loss around there. I feel like 140 is fair enough. Like I'll do like 135 if anything. If I think 135 is light enough. Let me see. 135. Is that what we want to work with? Because I got for the, yeah, I'm gonna do like 135. Let me see. Let me kind of zoom in real quick. 135 stop. There you go. But yeah, guys, I'm really interested in some longs here. From the rally gap. Target. Let me see. But yeah, like I said, guys, if we do get something here, I definitely want to scalp it. I don't want to hold through anything crazy today. Or if anything, I'll just hold runners first to do something crazy. But like I said, I do want to get a scalp going really quick. Wait, I put the wrong thing. Put the image real quick. Dude, am I not copying the thing? Am I tripping? There you go. But yeah, I want to see how we hold above this inverse real quick. The thing is, ES is showing strength. So I don't know if I want to move my stop loss lower because I really want to hold throughout these longs. I really, really want to hold throughout these longs. So far, I have my stop loss set at 135.50. I feel like that's a pretty reasonable stop. But the way ES is holding up, the way ES inverse everything, it's looking. I really, really like longs. The way we took out 115 and everything. Oh shit! I bought more, bro. Oh my guys, I bought more by accident, guys.
Uh-oh.
Oh my bro. Oh my, what the fuck?
You might have
Guys,
done all right.
I made a dude. I mean, I'm in 14 now. It's still holding up though, so I'm not gonna sell it yet. But bro, I put the wrong stop. I put buy instead. Fuck, bro. This shit has happened so many times, bro. Dude. I don't know. I don't know if that's a bad mistake. I don't know if that's. Yeah, I'm gonna sell some here, dude. Oh my. I'm gonna sell 11 here, guys. I made a really big mistake. I put the wrong stop. I put buy instead of sell.
Well, I got a little 3,700 off that bad boy.
Dude, that is not good. I don't know if I fucked up on the stream, for the members, guys. Uh, dude, I put the wrong stop. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not. Dude, I'm fucked. Is anyone still in by chance? I'm kind of speechless. I'm still in. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of still ins. If you guys want to, I mean, we still have room for higher, and the buying pressure is there. If you guys want to re-enter something light, I mean, I guess you could. But me personally, I trimmed most. I'm holding 3 contracts. I'm sure you guys can see on the screen. But I didn't really mean to do that. But I guess I'll take it. I put the wrong stop loss. You guys don't understand how many times this happens, and I just don't show it on stream. Dude, I always get it confused. I don't know what to. I'm kind of like, let me see. How many points did we even see from that? We entered at 170, 45. Into the. But yeah, if you guys are still in, or if you guys got stopped and you guys want to re-enter, you definitely still could. But I did not mean to do that at all. You guys do not understand.
I mean, we're up 135 points from the bottom, so we're definitely showing.
Where'd you get your entry from?
Myself?
Yeah.
Oh, I just aped into it. It was hovering around that lower area where the where I entered at 168, 170. It was hovering around there. So I shot in right there. It was
Okay,
based
cool.
off your call though. That wasn't something I
Okay, got it. Dude, I don't know whether I should be like panicking right now or like I'm green. Obviously, I'm. You guys can see it on the screen. If you're in, we're green. But that was guys. I'm gonna take one. If you guys are in, take one more scale here. Scale. I'm gonna I took one off. There it is. Dude, I don't know if why panic? Because I said I wanted to get like my stop loss was gonna be at 135. I set my stop loss, but I got it confused with short because I was like rushing it, and I bought more at 135 instead of just chill. All right, we're good.
So guys, for me, and this is contrary to you know, common popular thinking, we're seeing a really strong move up. The next level I'm seeing is on a 5 minute, that big red candle to the left. We could take that out and see 2302. So for me, I might look into adding a contract or two here. That's just me. Okay. You're here, you're here for David's strat. We're inside of David's trade. So follow him for the official directions. But I still feel like we have such a strong movement up, we could keep it going.
Guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm holding two contracts. Um, dude, guys, my really bad on my end. Like, I that timing on that was horrible. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But if you guys did find another re-entry, like KP said, I personally think we have a little bit more room for higher. Yes, is approaching this for value gap, so we're gonna see how this has a reaction with. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me put this out. But that was a little bit of a miscommunication because I did tell you guys 135 was a stop. I wish I definitely could have put it lower, but it bought more by accident.
Hey, sometimes it works
It
out,
happens,
man.
I guess. You know what I mean? Shit happens. We're all human. You know what I mean? Mistakes are gonna happen. AKA funded, bro. I got you guys. I got you guys. Another account pass. Nice. Wait, guys, real quick. How many of you guys were in? How many of you guys were in? Are still in? Me, I am. I re-entered. Okay, cool. All right. So I guess hopefully you guys are chilling. Hopefully you guys are chilling. All right. By the way, guys, I have my stop loss set at break even. All right. My average went all the way down to 135. So instead of 170, my stop loss is at 135. All right, guys. But yeah, KP, are you still in?
No, I'm out.
You're out. Cool. Dude, I was panicking for a second because I told you guys fair and square 135 was a stop, and it literally bottom ticked it. Like, you can't make this up. It literally did. Bro, 134.75. Dude. But I bought more by accident. Fuck it. It happened. Look, we're human. I mean, mistakes are gonna happen. I'm surprised we didn't see 245. I did take a scale at 20,232 for those wondering. And now I have my stop loss at break even. Is there a reason why we get bottom? It's just the market. It's the volume in the market. But me personally, like I said, like KP said, actually, we definitely have a lot more room to go higher. Definitely with the market bottoming out at the final level of liquidity that we have at 115 and us pumping up like crazy, it's kind of a no-brainer that we definitely have room for higher. So by the way, guys, okay, another like a little mini question here while we hold this trade. How many of you guys are like, are you guys enjoying these types of like this type of live trading? Like, is it more like understandable? Loving it. Cool, because I feel like with the P&L on the screen, it's a lot easier to actually like get a reading of. So you guys don't have to ask like, what's your feel? Are you in or whatever?
Yeah, I think that's super helpful. I've
Way
had
helpful, yeah.
hit me up in DMs, and some of them are like, I'm confused where he's entering.
Yeah,
And
dude. People tell me they're like, dude, are you in? What's your feel? This. So I feel like this is like way better, bro. Way better.
yeah, for sure. I mean, I want to tell him, I want to say, well, the chart's right there. Go ahead and look at it.
Yeah, but sometimes you know what I mean. It does get a little bit confusing. A little
The
bit.
the heat of the moment, dude. Honestly, people are in a trade. They get a little frazzled. So making it as clear as you can is definitely the way to go. It's perfect. I love it.
There you make, dude. I look. Right now I'll be like, oh my god, like, we're up. But the thing is, obviously, I want you guys to be green with me, and that was a little bit of a miscommunication there. It never really happens too much like that, but wrong stop. I gotta pay more attention, bro. You guys don't understand. This happens like 9 out of 10 times. Before I started live streaming the orders, you guys don't understand. Like, I go quiet sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, but sometimes I actually put the wrong stop loss, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. You guys, I know, but the market doesn't wait for anyone, especially with this much volume. I fucked up on the keys, so bro. It's you know what I mean. It's in the heat of the moment. I would say. But yeah, guys. In the meantime, I am holding two contracts. I'm sure you guys see on the screen. If you guys are still in, Try to hold this with me. I personally do think we can go higher. Especially with ES. ES is definitely slowing down a little bit, but with ES bottoming out at 748 and NQ bottoming out at 115, we kind of have nothing but upside. You know what I mean? How many did you get? Bro, it bought another 7. So I entered 7 and it bought 14. Bro. What was the stop? It was supposed to be around 135, which it literally bottom ticked, but it bought it for me. Look, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys my chart. Look at this. Guys, look at the chat. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. Dude, you can't make this up, bro. You guys can't make this up, bro. David bought our stops, bro. Literally. But yeah, guys, I have my stop loss now set at 135. It's my new average, so you guys can work around whichever stop. But I really, really hope a lot of you guys are green. Like I said, my bad for the miscommunication. I didn't mean for that to happen. But the trade kind of played out in a way. I mean, technically, we are green, to be fair. But dude, I did not mean to do that.
Well, that shouldn't have messed up their trade, right? I mean, you were trying to trim, but you added.
Yeah.
You gave the direction to trim though, so they should, you know what I mean?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to like move around it. I'm gonna try to move around it. And if anything, guys, if I do find another reentry, which we could get up here, if the buying pressure looks strong, obviously I'm gonna see on stream. But if the buying pressure does look strong, you guys can definitely get another reentry off our initial entry, which was gonna be off 260, if you guys remember. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to hold this. But yeah, when I trade evals, should I take profits quick? Yes, because of the trailing drawdown. Yes. Now on PAs, you guys can definitely hold your runners a lot more because you don't have to worry about the trailing drawdown. Is this a pullback? I want to say yeah. Obviously, ES is kind of slowing down a little bit. But this could be like the consolidation phase. But me personally, I do think throughout the entire day we should be going higher. I personally think that. Now you're chilling. If it makes you feel better, I exited out of the piston when I was up 200, and but yeah, if you're green, you're chilling, bro. If you're green, you're chilling. Let me see green. Let me see. Green 1000. Nice, bro. Nice. But yeah, if you guys are still in with me, guys, hold it with me. Like I said, I do think we go higher. Now, if you guys do want to re-enter, I would say try to look for a re-entry around the 260 range as long as buyers look very, very strong. All right, guys. Please notify the. Well, I'm not really gonna take it, but I'll let you guys know if you should enter or not, if it looks good or not, and then it's up to you guys if you guys want to enter.
Guys, a lot of times when you see a movement and it reverses it honestly almost follows the same pattern. Like you see how we dove down, chopped a little bit, dove down, reversed. So on the way back up, you can almost sometimes expect it to be a mirror image of how it dropped. And you know that chart I put in the chat, it'll go up, chop where it chopped on the way down, and come back up. And it looks like we're kind of doing that.
Look, I personally think we go higher. With like I said, everything lines up perfectly. Not only did we bottom out at the complete bottom, like the final level that we have at 115, right? Which is, not only is it the final level that we have, but it's also the final level that the market has. There's literally nothing below, right? So with us bottoming out on both ES and NQ around this range, showing a ton of buying, inversing it, and well, not yet breaking new highs, but we're waiting on that. I personally think this could be the bottom throughout the day. Obviously, we can get a little pullback here and there. I mean, this candle is flipping back to red. But from the looks of it, I think long-term intraday, I do believe this is going to be the bottom. Me personally. Like I said, the market. Okay, not only has the market sold off so much already, but we took out every level of liquidity to the downside to the point where, like, what can we expect lower? I mean, why would the market want to go lower? I am. I have a setting where it kind of shows it like differently though. So yeah, right now I'm currently up 1,000 or 10,100 or 11,000. My bad, 11 count a day. But it doesn't feel. It's just the alert went kind of wrong in a way. So I don't know. It's kind of like I'm kind of all over the place. Although most of us are green right now and everything. I want everyone to be green. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to see if I can give you guys a re-entry around this range if the buying pressure steps in. Bro got one payout. No, you gotta keep in mind this is like combined with accounts. So far we've made about $2,000 per account throughout yesterday and today. Yesterday we made 1,150 per account, and today we're currently up 1,100. The market goes up and pulls back and then goes. Well, yeah, that's probably what's been happening. But like I said, I personally don't believe we can. we could, but I don't think we should. It makes no sense. Like I said, there's nothing below. There's really nothing to target to the downside. Let me see. David, please stop stressing yourself for that. We're here for for trade ideas, not you to hold our hands and manage our entries and exits. I know, but you know what I mean? We'll see. So re-enter. Okay, if you want to re-enter, I would say try and wait to see how we react off 270. If we have a lot of buying pressure above 270, you can definitely re-enter and target 349. Yeah, sweeper, peep this. I set the wrong stop. Instead of selling, I put buy by accident. I wasn't paying attention. Let me see. Someone said in the chat, why do you use NQ1 to mark your charts instead of the actual chart that you trade? I always notice a slight difference in between. Oh, they're actually the same. The price sometimes might be different, but they're actually like identical. So whatever happens on one, obviously is gonna happen on the other one. Now NQ is more of like everything combined, like all of the contracts combined together. So what this allows you to do is it allows you to find levels from ages ago. So look, for example, while we hold this trade, right? Let's say for example, right now we're currently at pretty much, I'm not gonna say all-time lows, but we're at we're very low, right? Like we haven't seen these lows since September. All right. So on NQ, we could see all of the time difference from all of the contracts that ever existed. Right? You can see right here we have a contract change, but the price looks the same. Right? Now let's say for example, we go over to MNQ H5, right? Look at the difference here, right? So if we want to chart the chart that we're trading currently, look at the difference. You can't see the previous price action, right? So if you're trying to find levels from ages ago, like how we are right now, we physically can't, because look at what the contract didn't exist back then, but now it does. So hopefully that makes sense to you and to everyone else. Oh, by the way, we're breaking highs, guys. We are breaking highs. Let me lock back in. Hold up. So yeah, like I said, guys, if you guys do want to try to re-enter, obviously it's gonna be your own trade. But try to look for a very strong buying pressure above 270. And I couldn't even get some scale. I couldn't even get a scale there. So if we do break this high again, I'm probably gonna look to trim one more and hold my final contract for higher. I couldn't get that in time, bro. I was too busy paying it, bro. No way, bro. Dude, that would have been 100 points, bro. I couldn't get a trim in time. I was too busy reading the chat and answering questions. Are you still up? Yeah, my piano's right here. Can I show it right here? Right here. Lock in, dude. Oh, dude, I missed on a 100-point trim, bro. Bro, you can't make this up. Let me get the screenshot here. Dude, you can't make this up, bro. I read one chat for 1 second, guys. I explained something for 1 second, and I miss on a perfect trim to the upside, bro. It's fine. It's fine. It's 2 contracts. Who cares? But man, quit yapping. I know. I gotta lock in. Hold on. Let me type this up. You know, but that fair value projection was actually amazing. Definitely can't go wrong with that. Put it out here. Okay, now if we shoot back up, which hopefully we can. Oh wait, I didn't even know. Wait, yes, is having a fair value bounce right now. Oh, okay. But yeah, by the way, guys, in the chat, let me know how many of you guys are currently still in and how many of you guys are agreeing with me. I know some people might have messed up, you know, with the stop and everything, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to give you guys one more trade off this inverse up here if we can get it. So make sure you guys are paying attention if you guys do want to get another entry. But me personally, I'm gonna try to scale around this range. Hope, guys, wait, we might get a second shot at a trim here. If you guys are still in with me, I might trim one more. Holding a runner, nice. Me too. I'm holding two. By the way, if you guys are green, if you guys can post it in the win channel, it'll be huge. But I know, some people might have messed up with the stop loss. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure I do everything in my power to get you guys back up there. All right, you guys. What's your final TP, dude? Far. It is far. I'm gonna hold this final runner till the end of the day if I have to. The one at my final TP is 591, dude. 591. And the reason I have that is because it's the complete top is the Asia high. Now, if the market wants to find the complete bottom, we could definitely go towards it. Will we take it out? I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna take out 591. But I mean, we can always hope. I mean, if the market can sell off 600 points or something, right? How many points? If the market can sell off 500 points in this range, we could probably see a lot higher. You know what I mean? But we'll see. We'll see. How's the 15-minute looking like? Oh yeah, it's looking a little bit clean. I like that. Yeah, I would say no. Say if anything, say your final price target to 430 is pretty reasonable. You can either do a scale at 349 and do a final TP at 430. I might do that, honestly. I don't know if I want to aim for 591. That's far. That's really fucking far. If you don't mind me asking, what is your 30%? I'm pretty sure it's around 1.5, I think. I don't know, honestly. I've made 1.5 and I haven't gotten a payout denied. It's definitely taking a little bit longer to get accepted, so maybe it's up there, I would say. So yeah, I'm kind of playing with fire up here. But honestly, I don't really mind. I don't really mind. The 1 minute is looking crazy. Dude, I'm trying to get a scale at 270 around there. I really want to take a trim there. I don't want to trim anywhere around this range. If anything, I'll just hold it to my stop loss. But I'm up 1.2k on eval. Should I call it? Are you still in the trade? If you're not, then yeah, call it. But if you're still in the trade, then obviously you can stay on and hold it with us. No? Yeah, get off. For evals, I can pass in a day. Yeah, you can. Yeah. You can pass in a day. Yeah. We're still selling off here a little bit. Bro, I accidentally made 1k. I honestly, bro, I'm gonna thank God for that. Dude, that is. I would have been mad if I would have gotten. Honestly, if I would have gotten stopped out, I probably would have looked for a re-entry either way. So no matter what happened, I probably would still be green. So I'm not really too mad about the wick out. Let me see. I made 1600. I'm done for the day. Nice, bro. Yeah. Get off. Can I enter off this pullback? No, not yet, because obviously the market is chopping out right now. You don't want to get stuck in this chop. It could definitely mess up your stop loss. But what I would say is, if you do want to look for a re-entry, wait for very strong buying pressure to kick in. Make sure that there's like it's obviously breaking highs and everything, and try to look for an entry above 170. I mean 270. 270 would be the perfect entry for a re-entry. All right, but if you guys are still in with me, then obviously hold it. You know what I mean? There's a 30% rule rollover from eval. No, there's no 30% on evals. Only for PA accounts. All right. Only for PA accounts. Evals, you can full port it. You can do whatever you want with those accounts. They do not care. All right. But if anything, give the market some time. If anything, stay on. I'll let you know when to re-enter. How much drawdown on a PA? It's the same as an eval. So it's like what, 2.5k. Bro. First payout, bro. OD, bro. Not OD. I don't know if you're in here, bro. Congrats on the payout, bro. $2,000 payout, guys. Peep this. 2k payout. Beautiful. Congrats, bro. But yeah, like I said, guys, like one last time, like my bad on the trade. It was a little bit. Obviously, you guys gotta understand I'm human. It was a little bit quick, so I kind of messed up on the stop, but we worked around it. At least most of us did. And for those that didn't, don't worry. I got you guys with the next one for sure. Kind of just messed up there. I'll go. Yeah, no, it's just a tiny mistake there. Okay, let me read this chat. Just saying, well, automatically it's the best entry. Yeah, always. That I just try it, you know.
Also, guys, we've got 14 hours, 31 minutes, and 44 seconds to take advantage of the 80% off on
Oh,
Apex.
that's right. Yeah. Today's a lot. I didn't even know today was the last day. Yeah.
Yep, use code Blastoise.
Thank you, bro.
80%
Thank you.
off.
But yeah, KP, are you gonna keep trading or are you done?
I might stick on. I think, I'm not really feeling this. I need a kind of a nice little range to show its head, pop up. But I'll be on throughout the day, and yeah, I'll be
Are
live
you gonna stay on
trading.
live or?
I'm not sure if I'm going to stay on right now once we get off, but I will be back on trading live today. Absolutely,
Oh, cool.
I'll
Cool.
have the
Yeah.
chart
Okay.
up and everything.
Cool. Yeah. If you guys want to trade with KP, I mean he'll be live later if anything, if he does get on. But yeah, dude, this market is ugly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm really pissed off that I couldn't get a trim up here. I'm really mad I couldn't.
I almost said something because I knew you were looking at a different screen,
I
and I'm like,
know,
"Oh
bro. I
shit, it's
know.
gapping."
It happens, bro. It's not the first time it's happened. I mean, I would have trimmed one contract. That would have been like an extra $100 in profit, dude. But I mean, it's $100. You know, what I mean, it's nothing crazy.
It counts.
Yeah. I guess. Re-enter, not yet, guys. Like I said, guys, if you're gonna re-enter, try to re-enter off 270. Don't re-enter off this. This right here is really ugly. You're trading in a really bad range. Now, if you're in, obviously hold it with your break-even stop loss. But if you're not in, try to look for an entry above this range. Not only do we get a breakout, but you know what I mean, we also get another inverse. Does 90% work with lifetime? The 80% off Apex? Yeah, it does. Well, no, it's $125 for the activation fee. If that's what you're talking about. I feel like if I say I'm an overtrading, yeah. If anything, if you want to get off, you can definitely get off.
If you feel like you're over trading,
Yeah, then
you're
obviously get off.
probably over trading.
Yeah. Dude, I just feel like super like messy today with the alert. Ugh. I wish I could have executed that one better. I mean, we the execution was good. I mean, obviously look how much we're up, but it's just I don't want anyone to be red at all. 90% of the premium, dude. We did not do 90% off.
How's my volume, by the way?
No,
Is this
it's good.
good?
It's good.
Okay, sweet.
It hurts some people, Grace. It hurts some people. But as long as most people are green, that's less people that have to worry about. And for the people that are red, like I said, guys, I got you guys. I'll make sure. You know what I mean. I'll make sure you guys get something. That pick a good time to sleep in? Yeah. It's like a 50-50. Let me see. We've been getting stop hunted recently. Okay. The reason for that is you gotta look at the market condition, Aaron. The whole reason behind that is mainly because the market conditions are I mean, they're not horrible, but they're very volatile. Like, I mean, look at this. This is a pullback, right? This is a 100-point pullback. I mean, usually the pullbacks are like what, like 30, 40 points or whatever. The market is really volatile, and the whole reason behind that is mainly because of Trump. Mainly because of Trump. So once the whole Trump thing settles down and dies down and everything, we should be back to the normal with our 30-point stop loss and everything. But lately, yeah, the stop hunts have been pretty crazy, especially last week. Last week was, guys, we missed out on like two over 100-point trades last week because of the stop loss. It was horrible. I don't, guys. I think I told you guys last week was literally my worst like week of my entire career. Of my even when I was new to trading, I was pulling better trades than that. And I'm not saying the trades didn't work out. It's just the stop loss was horrible. We kept getting stop hunted over and over. I couldn't work around it no matter what. Like, look, I've said this before. I don't know if you guys tune into Krabby's stream, but I always say this. I'm like, I would much rather get stopped out and know that the trade went against me rather than get stopped out and know and see the trade play out in front of your eyes. The volume is dying. Yeah, I know. But dude, I that thing is, dude. Last week was, it wasn't hard on my account because I pretty much made everything back. But dude, mentally, I was going through it, bro. You guys do not understand. Just seeing the trades play out and knowing that they're gonna play out, it was so easy to read that was gonna play out. And bro, it's just I don't see the consistent announcement. Can you tell me that? Oh yeah, if you guys do want to enter the giveaway that I'm gonna do later, um, you go over to the announcements, you scroll up, and it's right here. The one on the first, I put it out on the first. Um, about 422 people have entered. So if you guys do want to enter, obviously fill out the form so I can see why you want to win, and I'll pick it out. I do want to do the giveaway today at I think 6 p.m. works pretty well. Around 6 p.m. So yeah, if you guys do want to enter one more time, I'll go to announcements, scroll up to the first of March. Is it March? We're in March, right? Yeah, March 1st, and then just click the heart emoji. Okay, so guys, today in the stream, I'm gonna be giving out funded accounts. I'm not gonna give out the computer on. I'm gonna give it out today. And I'm gonna DM the winner and everything. But the reason I'm not, guys, the whole reason why I'm not putting out the laptop winner in the live stream is because the in the form is kind of personal. I want to say for a lot of people because obviously you know what I mean. Some people might need it, you know, more than others, and they're explaining the situation, and I don't want to be putting their information out there like that. It's kind of disrespectful in a way, so I'm not gonna do that. Now obviously I'll show proof that I shipped it out and they received it and everything. But I'm not gonna put it out on stream because obviously personal reasons. I don't want to be disrespectful towards anyone. You know what I mean, obviously you guys trust me enough to tell me your situation for the giveaway, and I don't want to break your trust by putting it out there to like 700 people. You know what I mean? That's kind of fucked up. So yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to do that. So, but for the funded accounts, honestly, we'll have some fun with it, like how we did on Sunday, and we'll just, you know what I mean? We'll just have fun with it and keep giving away the thing. But yeah, bro, guys, this market is, bro. Tax write off? Yeah, bro, 100%. Like bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Were you meant to, dude? Honestly, bro, I was supposed to get bottom ticked on that trade, and I didn't. I don't know how. Well, I did, but I bought more by accident. Is it 1,500, bro? It's not even a question, bro. Obviously, it's savable, but you're down barely anything. But yeah, now the market is dying down, so this trade might slow down, or if anything, stop out at break even. I don't know if you guys got stopped out at break even or not. Remember, I averaged down at 135 by accident, so my stop loss is at 135 now. Catch me, I was so close to entering though. It's fine, bro. It's fine. If anything, like I said, there might be a chance. I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys another entry, but I will probably put out another commentary trade if we do see something up here. By the way, okay, no, yeah, I was about to say I'm about to get stopped. Dude, I don't know if I want to sell now and just get off the market and just re-enter up here. A part of me wants to do that, but a part of me also wants to hold the trade. I'm at 49K on like 550K accounts. Should I try to size larger? No, dude, no. Just, bro, take it day by day, trade by trade, bro. There's no point in doing that. There's no point in doing that. Just size how bro. You're only at 49K. That's super savable, dude. All you need is one good trade like this one, and you're literally back up. But literally one good trade, and you're fine. Yeah, remember my stop loss got averaged down. Where I was supposed to get stopped out, I bought it by accident. So my average down went from 170 to 135. Yeah. Yeah. I here, Zabi. Look at the screenshot. Will say it all, bro. Hold on, dude. Look at this, bro. Look at this screenshot. You can't make that up, bro. I don't want to see it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. uh, if you do it once, it's fine. If you do it once, it's fine. Now, if you do it every trade where you're constantly DCAing, yeah, it's against. Is it against rules? Wait, does Apex have a thing against?
No, you can DCA. They just want you, if you do it in the red, they want you to do it only one time to add to a losing trade. You can add to a winning trade as many times as you want, but as far as DCAing into a losing trade to bring your entry average lower, one time.
Oh, okay. Because the thing is, I never DCA, so I really want to know.
Yeah, I do that. So moving forward, when I start getting into educational stuff and just talking on live streams, DCAing is one of, and adding to trades is one of my things. So I'll start touching on that, guys. Just be patient. This is kind of new. Give me a little bit of time to get up and
Bro,
running
you're
full
chilling,
speed.
bro. Take as much time as you need, bro. Trust me.
Appreciate you, brother.
But yeah, like KP said, for the people asking what DCA is pretty much when you're red on the trade and you want a better entry, you just add to that entry. So when you're red, you just add more. Exactly what we did in this trade, by accident, of course. Do you mean Apex? Yeah, Apex allows it one time per trade. So obviously we used our one time, so we can't DCA anymore. So I gotta make sure that my stop loss is set to sell because I don't want to get in again. Not gonna lie, I went in with 5 minis on an eval and passed, bro. All right, bro. Do you suggest wrist what? What do you suggest risk per trade for a 50K? Try to risk about $360 to $400 per trade on a 50K account. So that's about 7 contracts around there. Yeah, 7 to 10. Yeah, 7 to 10 works. It depends on your stop loss. Keep that in mind. Obviously, the further your stop loss, the less you should be sizing. Dude, honestly, I want to get off this market, dude. This thing is so slow. Call it. Are you guys down to? I doubt a lot of you guys are even in still. And I'll just hold the position, and whatever happens, I'll just update it in the alert channel. Call it. Cool. If anything, I'll let you guys know for the reentry up here because I really do want to get some reentry for you guys up here at 270. So if anything, I'll let you guys know. All right. I got you guys. So for the people that are trying to reenter, if you guys didn't catch up with the reentry, the accidental entry or whatever, I got you guys with the other one. All right, guys. All right, I'll see you guys later then. I'm pretty gonna get off. This market is super slow, and I'm not even trying to watch it. All right. So yeah, I'll see you guys later then. All right, guys.
I'm gonna stick around for a bit.
All right.
Have a good day, brother.
Cool.
I'll talk to you.
You could screen share. I think you have the perms, right?
Can I just stay in here?
Yeah, bro. Of course. You can chat with everyone. So yeah, if you guys want to stick with KP, guys, stay on. All right. But me personally, I'm getting off. Going live later, maybe. It's a maybe. You guys know how those maybes goes. But if we do get a reentry around this range, I'll definitely let you guys know. All right. But anyway, guys, that is enough from me for today. KP, if you're gonna stay on, you don't really have to leave or anything, and you'll get access to screen sharing. All right.
Perfect.
All right. I got you guys. All right. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. All right. Or maybe later. All right. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. And YouTube, guys, hopefully you guys stayed green with me on this trade. I know we made a little bit of an accidental mistake, but it was a good mistake, honestly. You guys see the P&L. We are currently up over $1,000 per account today, about $10,000 overall. But what's it called? I'm personally gonna get off for today on stream. Hopefully you guys are agreeing with me, like I said. And if you guys do want to join the premium with 80% off, I'm turning off the code literally in a few minutes. So use code 80 for 80% off either the monthly or the 3-month sub. It's like $10 if you guys want to get access to these live trading with no delay. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. And by the way, make sure to use code Blasters on Apex for 80% off any funded account. Because the code is ending in about 10 hours. All right, guys, and the code, I don't know if it's gonna come back or not. But that's for me, guys. I'm gonna hold on. Oh, well, I literally just got stopped out, so never mind. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I ended the day about $893 in profit. All right, guys. But yeah, that is enough from me for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading.